I don't come from Ghana. I don't. Federation few days ago on a visitation to his friend, Governor Wike, made very reckless statements, interfering in the political dispute within the Wike political party. We are not interested in their friendship. What we are interested in is the fact that 2023 election portends a great opportunity for Nigerian people to make a new choice.
Yes.
And that choice must be made by the Nigerian people. Any suggestion, any act that portends affiliation between the judiciary and the political class also signifies danger for democracy. And while we are here, as you can see, we are peaceful and we have organized ourselves. We don't look like touts. In an orderly manner, we have identified ourselves as citizens of this nation. But the police have stopped us from moving to the office of the Chief Justice of the Federation. And what we want to go and do there is to present this letter. The content of this letter will be available to the media. But what we are saying, basically, is that the judiciary must insulate itself from politics, and that partisanship between judicial officers and the political class will portend danger for the democracy that we are still developing. Nigerians are suffering, even in this democracy. Any attempt or any suggestion by anybody, what we understand as per the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is the fact that the judicial arm, the executive arm, and the legislative arm of government are independent of each other. So when you begin to see political affinity between those arms, it means that we are in danger. What we are saying is that the Chief Justice of Nigeria has removed the impartiality required of the judiciary in the dispensation of justice. The 2023 election will come. Some of the political parties and the candidates will have disputes amongst themselves, and the last line of education should be the court. And as the chief judicial officer of this nation, who pretends over the Supreme Court, where all matters, no matter however disputed, will be resolved. If it now dabbles into disputes within political parties, it tells us that the candidates, the parties, will not have justice in his courts before, during, and after the 2023 elections. Our demand is that the CJN, having shown open partiality in political dispute, should resign. He should go, because Nigerians will begin to distrust the electoral processes leading to the 2023 general elections.
Okay, he had issued a statement on Saturday that there was no statement. He distanced himself from that statement in Port Harcourt. What do you have to say about that?
Madam, we are in Nigeria. His visit to Rivers State was in the open, and the statements he made were clearly quoted. So, having made a visit to Rivers State, having said all he said, and coming back to say he was misquoted, who is misquoting who? Is it Nigerians that are misquoting the chief judge, or the chief justice of Nigeria is misquoting Nigerians? So we have to ask that question. He has made those statements, and those statements are in public domain. And for him, as the Chief Justice of the Federation, to make those political statements visiting his friend means that he is partisan. And partisanship is not allowed in holding that sacred office of the Chief Justice of the Federation.
So apart from National Assembly and Federal Ministry of Justice, what are the other institutions you have written, you have submitted this your petition to?
We are sending these petitions to every international organization, and we are not limiting it at that. We will continue to press